Class, we're in 2.8, page 126 in your book. We have two vocabulary words, literal equation, which is probably new. So let's go ahead and look at that definition. A literal equation is when the coefficients and constants have been replaced by letters. So something like this is a literal equation. It's all letters. Numbers have gone away, working with just letters. Formulas are defined as a rule expressed as an equation. You know probably a lot of formulas. You've memorized them along the way. Something like circumference equals pi times the diameter. We're going to work with rewriting equations and formulas today. So our first example goes along with your book on page 127, this example, and it says solve the literal equation. I've marked out the rest of the directions. I don't want you doing the rest. I want you to just be able to solve the literal equation for x. So what I'm asking you to do, again highlighted, we have a minus bx equals c. We want to solve this for x. We want it to be x equals. So the first thing I want to do is get this a to the other side. So I now have minus bx equals c minus a. I'm multiplying negative b times x. The opposite would be to divide by negative b. These cancel. I have my x, and I'm left with negative c plus a divided by b. So that's solving a literal equation for x. This next direction talks about write 5x plus 4y equals 20 so that y is a function of x. You're going to hear me talk about this all year long. What this means is y equals. All those fancy words for our purposes right now mean y equals. So we have the equation 5x plus 4y equals 20. Let's get the 5x to the other side because we want it to be a y equals. 4y equals 20 minus 5x. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. I have to divide everything. Y equals 20 divided by 4 is 5. Leave this as an improper fraction. And there's our final answer. And then we'll work with one formula. We have the formula here. Hopefully you recognize it. It's area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width. It says to solve for L. So A equals L times W. The opposite of multiplying would be to dividing. Oh, I'm sorry. It says solve for L. So we want to divide not by L, but by W because we want L by itself. So the area divided by the width is going to give us the length.